Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi paste at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of Korean chili powder, half a cup of minced garlic, and a 1/4 cup of grated ginger. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a small amount of sweet rice flour for the porridge. These fresh components are crucial for developing that rich, complex kimchi flavor we all love. Now, let's create the essential sweet rice flour porridge. In a small saucepan, whisk together 2 tablespoons of sweet rice flour with 1 cup of cold water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens into a smooth, paste-like consistency. This porridge acts as a binder and provides a subtle sweetness. Remember to let it cool completely before moving on to the next step. With your porridge cooled, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sweet rice flour porridge with 1 cup of Korean chili powder. Next, add your half cup of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of grated ginger, 1/4 cup of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix these ingredients thoroughly with a spoon or gloved hands until you achieve a smooth, vibrant red paste. This is the heart of your homemade kimchi. Your delicious homemade kimchi paste is now ready. Carefully transfer it into a clean, airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for several weeks, allowing you to make multiple batches of kimchi. This versatile paste is perfect for fermenting napa cabbage, radishes, or even cucumbers. Enjoy the satisfaction of crafting your own authentic kimchi with this easy-to-follow guide.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.